Got a few tips for you today, the main one being how to remove the backing on sticky tape for these mirror frames, but also a few tips on these mirror frames and more just sharing the journey with you. These are super sticky, so if you stick it in the wrong spot, you're stuck.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon
Right at the subscribe button,
and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
So for putting on these mirror frames, I'm always trying to develop an easier way to take these off. What I came up with most recently now is flat blade screwdriver on the end of that you're going to take off and just push it down. This stuff is super sticky. You pretty much get one stick with it and that's it. But I was fighting with it with a knife, fighting with it with other things, and I think this is about my best way now. Fastest, easiest, no fuss. I finally came up with the best way I think to do these. I was splitting them with a knife and then pulling two different ways, and this seems to be working just much better. A little bit that was left over. Deal. And this has so much stickiness that this little bit won't really matter, but you know, there it is. All right. One. One's ready to go, and I got one more. Same deal. Here's the frame. And I'll take it over here. Do the same deal. Yeah, it's much easier. Yep, they can't all be easy, but sometimes you can come up with a technique that'll make what was a tedious job just that much easier. There we go. The rest, once I put this on, I'll press it into place. It's definitely a job that is better done with two people with a frame this size, so I've got some help getting together some other materials. Get it all done. Come on, buddy. Don't be like that. Tiny piece, and it's ready for the install. And these, once you stick them on, you're stuck with it. So it's kind of better to use two people. So just tapping for the stud to find the stud. It said this one was not in the stud, the original one, and this one now in the stud.
No. Right, he versus Mears.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, because we're gonna cover this one with a frame anyway. So.
Small one, it's okay. Yeah.
Oh, it's kind of small, huh?
Oh, this.
Oh yeah, that's better. Fine. Alright, now the frame. This one, luckily the countertop's pretty level, and because the wall is right there, we can actually use the wall as a guide. We dry fit it first with these because they're so sticky. You always want to make sure to dry fit these things first. And so what we're going to do is dip it in and up, hopefully without touching anything we're not supposed to. Go nice and up and in. And then we're going to go all the way to the wall and then all the way down to the counter. And then just get a visual if it's level. Looks good.
Okay.
Yeah, ready? Good. And now we'll push it on all the way. And it's good to use a rag if possible to smooth on the deal. I lost my rag. Found my rag. But notice that some of these, the material can come off kind of easy, so it's just kind of scary. It's good. Nice and on. Try rag for the mirror. Yeah, it's a done deal. Much better, much nicer, different. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should find a bunch of different videos that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs. Also, there's links in the description below the videos to tools and parts used in the videos.